Making coffee. It's me and Rachel making coffee.
I look really bad now.
What?
My bad. Okay, so first you open it up. Why is that?
Don't try that. See?
It's hot.
So first, you pick one of these.
I picked one.
You pick and then you just put it in there.
Like that.
And then you close that.
Then I don't know what
Put a
happened.
cup underneath.
Yes.
This says Pomegranate. Star. And then
This is a Pomeranian. This is my type of doggy.
you put that down, and then you select what kind, like how much you want. There's 3 different ones. You have to add water. You do add water.
Okay, well I'm gonna try to do it without water.
That's where I put the water in.
Ooh, I get water bottle.
I'm a brilliant.
I'm gonna get water bottle, Charlotte. Don't turn it off, Charlotte.
Okay.
Stop this, Charlotte.
I'm good at this.
Look at this. It's Poland Spring, rated R. So don't copy this name and put it on another water bottle. That'd be very bad.
That'd be illegal.
It would be very illegal.
So you'd like
But I'm allowed to say because I said TM, which means trademark for you retarded people like me. You don't know. See, Shasha.